If you're just getting started with AI filmmaking, one of the easiest mistakes to make is paying for far too many tools. One video recommends one platform, another recommends something else, and before you've made your first film, you've somehow collected half a dozen subscriptions. You don't need to do that. For this workflow, we're keeping things simple. 3 tools: ChatGPT, Google Flow, and Canva. ChatGPT helps us develop ideas, characters, images, and prompts. Flow turns those ideas and images into video. And Canva is where we bring everything together. Let's get them set up. We'll start with ChatGPT. You can create an account for free, and that's enough to begin. If you're going to be creating regularly, a paid plan can make things smoother because of the higher limits. But don't upgrade just because someone tells you to. Start with what you've got, then see what you actually need. Once you're logged in, I want you to create a project. Think of a project as the workspace for your film. Instead of having your character in one chat, your prompts somewhere else, and your scene ideas buried in another conversation, you can keep everything together. Create a new project and call it Real AI Starter. If you're following the course, this is also where you'll add the markdown files I give you as we go. You'll see exactly how we use those later. If you're watching on YouTube, you don't need those files. You can still use projects to keep your prompts, references, characters, and conversations organized in one place. That's the important habit. Next, Google Flow. Later, we'll use Flow to take our finished images and turn them into AI video. Log into your Google account and open Flow. Before you subscribe to anything, check what access you already have. At the time I'm recording this, in August 2026, there is a free way to get started. Use that first. Learn what the credits do, then decide whether you actually need more. Google changes its models, plans, and credit allowances regularly, so always check what's available inside your own account. Finally, Canva. Canva is our simple editing room. You can use Canva free for this workflow. We'll use it to bring our clips together, trim them, add text and audio, and export the finished video. I personally use Canva Pro because I like the extra tools, but you don't need Pro just to get started. And this is probably the most important part of the setup. Don't buy extra AI tools just because someone online says you need them. You don't. AI filmmaking gets expensive very quickly when you keep jumping between platforms. So, instead of collecting tools, learn a workflow. Use ChatGPT to think, create, and solve problems. Use Flow to turn your ideas into moving images, and use Canva to assemble everything into a finished film. That's enough to begin. One final thing. This is the workflow I recommend as of August 2026. Models will change, prices will change, the tools themselves will change, but the principle won't. Don't collect AI tools, learn a workflow. Before moving on, create or log into ChatGPT and set up your Real AI Starter project. Check your Google Flow access, log into Canva, then bookmark all 3. Once that's done, you're ready to start creating.